Hey there, foodies. Welcome to my channel. I'm ready to take you on a side splitting, mouth watering adventure. Ever seen four happy balls on a menu in Chinese restaurant, expecting desserts only to get a plate of meatballs? Or husband and wife lung slices, making you wonder if you ordered a horror movie special? Ha ha. We're unpacking these translation disasters and giving four iconic Chinese dishes a makeover with clear Southeast Asian style menu descriptions. Get ready to chuckle, drool, and maybe crave some takeout. Let's dive into this culinary comedy extravaganza. Let's start with why Chinese dish names in English are comedy gold. Translating Chinese menus is like Mission Impossible. Why? Chinese names are poetic, packed with history or imagery, while English menus are blunt like a lab report. When East meets West on a menu, it's a cultural crash that sparks hilarious chaos. Take Ma Yi Shu. In Chinese, it's a poetic nod to minced pork clinging to glass noodles like ants on branches. Translated as ants climbing a tree, Western diners panic. Am I eating bugs? Or husband and wife lung slices, sounding like a slasher flick. But it's just spicy beef and tripe, no lungs involved. You're left nodding. Oh, that's what lung slices mean. It gets wilder. See Shiwanzi for four happiness meatballs sounds like carnival candy. But surprise, it's savory pork meatballs bursting with flavor. Then there's Gobuli Baozi for dog-ignored buns, implying even dogs doubt their tastiness. Spoiler, these Tianjin buns are juicy, doughy perfection. Don't miss Fo Tiao Cheng, a Fujian soup so rich, it'd make Buddha vault a wall to taste it. Translated literally, it sounds like a monk's parkour stunt, not a luxe seafood stew. Or Shizi To, which screams safari, but it's just giant, cozy meatballs. And Ko Shui Ji, no one's ordering a dish named after drool, even if it's a spicy Sichuan stunner. These translation flops are a cultural comedy blockbuster. So we're here to save the day, picking four Chinese dishes that are tough to translate due to their poetic or historical roots. We'll rebrand them with clear, appetizing names and Southeast Asian style descriptions to make them irresistible. Ready for the foodie fiesta? Let's go. 1. Ants climbing a tree. New name: spicy minced pork glass noodle stir fry. Menu description: a sizzling Sichuan stir fry of springy glass noodles soaked in a spicy, savory sauce, studded with minced pork like tiny flavor bombs. Topped with bright green onions, it's chewy and tongue-tingling. Main ingredients: glass noodles, ground pork, green onions. Supporting ingredients: minced ginger, minced garlic, spicy fermented bean paste. Seasonings: light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, chili oil, sugar. Flavor profile: numbing spicy, chewy, deeply savory with Sichuan flair. Two, husband and wife lung slices. New name: Sichuan spiced beef and tripe platter. Menu description: a bold Sichuan cold plate of thinly sliced braised beef shank and tripe, drenched in fiery chili and Sichuan peppercorn oil, sprinkled with crunchy peanuts and sesame seeds, spicy, numbing, and crisp. Main ingredients: beef shank, beef tripe, crushed peanuts, sesame seeds. Supporting ingredients: cilantro, green onions. Seasonings: chili oil, Sichuan peppercorn oil, soy sauce, black vinegar, mashed garlic, sugar. Flavor profile. Numbing, spicy, tender crisp, a punchy starter. 3, 4 happiness meatballs. New name: braised pork meatballs with soy glaze. Menu description: a northern Chinese comfort classic. 4 plump pork meatballs braised in a rich soy sauce with earthy shiitake mushrooms and tender bamboo shoots. Juicy, savory, and rice's best friend. Main ingredients: ground pork, dried shiitake mushrooms, bamboo shoots. Supporting ingredients: minced ginger, green onions, egg. Seasonings: light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, cornstarch, sesame oil. Flavor profile: savory, tender, umami-rich, festive comfort. Four, Buddha jumps over the wall. New name: Fujian Deluxe Seafood and Meat Stew. Menu description: a lavish Fujian stew slow-simmered with abalone, sea cucumber, dried scallops, chicken, and ham in a velvety broth. Rich, fragrant, and soul-nourishing. Main ingredients: abalone, sea cucumber, dried scallops, chicken, Chinese ham. Supporting ingredients: shiitake mushrooms, bamboo shoots, ginger slices. Seasonings: chicken or pork stock, Chinese cooking wine, salt, white pepper. Flavor profile: rich, savory, delicate, a luxurious treat. That's a wrap, food lovers. Thanks for watching. We've cracked the code on 4 Chinese dishes. From ants climbing a tree to Buddha jumps over the wall, and turned them into a global friendly menu. Next time you're at a Chinese restaurant, don't flinch at 4 happy balls or lion's head. Order boldly and savor China's flavors. Eat well, live deliciously,